I'm a big rock singer. I got golden fingers, and I'm loved everywhere I go. I sing about beauty and I sing about truth at $10,000 a show. I take all kinds of pills to give me all kind of thrills, but the thrill I've never known is the thrill that'll get you when you get your picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone, wanna see my picture on the cover? Wanna buy 5 copies for my mother? I wanna see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Well, I got a freaky old lady named Cocaine Katie. She embroideries on my jeans. I got my poor old gray-haired daddy driving my limousine. Now it's all designed to blow my mind, but my mind won't really be blown. Like a blow that'll get you when you get your picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. A Rolling Stone. I want to see my picture on the cover. I want to buy 5 copies for my mother. I want to see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. I got a lot of little teenage blue-haired groupies that do anything I say. I got a genuine Indian gurus teaching me a better way. I got all the friends that money can buy, but I much prefer to be alone. Well, I keep getting richer, but I can't get my picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. On the cover of the Rolling Stone. I want to see my picture on the cover. I want to buy 5 copies for my mother. I want to see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Well, I'm a big rock singer. I got golden fingers. Ha! At $10,000 a show.